Hello everyone, today I am making a neon parrot. So I think you guys can see this is my very last parrot. I only need to do one more thing before I can go get my neon parrot. So after when I do go get my neon parrot, I am going to be playing some blue facility because I don't know, I just like playing blue facility and yeah. So I'm just gonna take care of my pet. Yes! Okay. My last one is my little Pico was finally fully grown. It took a very long time because he was a preteen when I started this. It took me 2 days because of school and all of that. Today's a PA day and I knew what I wanted to make my neon pet on the PA day and I finally was able to do it. So yes, my dream has come true. Her dream has come true. Who closed this door? My dream is coming true. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm just gonna head to the school and teach him his new trick and have to go make the neon. Pixie Pink sent you a trade. Sorry, they probably won't get it. I might get turn off trades for this because just friends, because I like with my friends. Since everyone just wants my neon parrot. And I'm not giving away my parrot. They say, oh, what's my parrot and all that? And I was like, I'm not giving away my parrot. He said, why? And I had to give them a whole reason why. They actually question why again because they don't not listen to what I say. But I'm not giving away my parrot. So it's about time that I'm actually making the neon. Pet trainer Shane, train, please. Hurry, 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 hurry. I'm in a rush. 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 Hey, I need a fire ride potion if you didn't listen to my little thing I added up there. Don't you listen, Crystal? Her real name's Sugar, but... Dance won! Finally. The cool thing is, if they actually change, I ever said they actually will grow into like the fully actually grown size, but they just stay the same size the whole time. Tricks. So he knows every trick now. Okay, let's go make it. It's about to create them at night, so I'm just gonna head to there and wait until it's morning. And tomorrow I'm making slime, so I'll be posting probably tomorrow. I'm making slime, so I am going to be posting a video about that. By the way, guys, I'm giving away a free bike and a gift, so only thing you gotta do is comment down below your Roblox username and I'll give you it for free. You do not need to do anything, just comment your Roblox username so I know who you are and I'll friend you and then give you your free gift and bike. Maybe something even extra if you actually like the video. Muchas gracias. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, that's right. I can speak Spanish. No. No, my trades are off, girl, so you ain't trading with me. She just jumped into this lake trying to follow me. Okay, so let's go create. This is so big. So I have my 4 parrots right here, all fully grown. And I'll be so mad if they're not all fully grown. So today I was actually doing the one color challenge. I was dressed up as pink, my most hated color. Sorry, Leah Ash. Well, my favorite color is green, so let's start. Let's take out my little Rio Pio. That's Princess. No, Princess Rainbow. Here we go second because you was the one. Princess Rainbow. And my last but not least favorite, Pico. Pico, you were my favorite parrot. Actually, Rio Pio was, but you were my second because you were the youngest. I'll miss you very, very, very much. Let's push you on here. It's creating something. Oh my gosh. I never actually created a neon pet myself. And this is what it looks like. I'd never created. They're gone! No! Why Princess Rainbow? Why couldn't it be Rio Pio? Oh wait, but it's Fireball. Yes, guys. It's about time. It took so long for this to happen, but me and Princess Rainbow are taking over the whole city. Neon, Fireball, Riable. Yes! So guys, this took a very long time, but if you guys actually wanted a neon parrot, I have something extra because I have another account which has a neon parrot on it. So if you guys want a neon parrot, just subscribe, comment down below your username, and you also have to trade me something because I don't know what you got, because it's pretty much, yeah, it's kind of an, so let's just head into the light and see. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. So I want to name Princess Rainbow something else. My little Rio Pio. I want it to be named Rio Pio because Rio Pio was my very first parrot. So I'm gonna change the name. Sorry, Princess Rainbow. You're gonna be called Rio Pio now. Heart. There we go, Rio Pio. So this is my new neon parrot. It is very, very pretty. Rio Pio with Rio Pio would take out the city. Now I just have to show my sister. Angel! You want to see the neon parrot? I finally did it. Huh? Oh, you're looking at that video. Oh, it's bad. Oh my gosh, you're watching this girl? You know her? Okay. She's not coming right now, but this is so cool, guys. So I want to see if I go to the... Does it fly? Yeah, it's flyable. Rideable. B-O-B-O-E. So the combined Mysterious created a neon pet. Wow, I wish they would actually grow bigger. Like, they're so stinking small. 4 parrots combined together to make something really big. And this thing's still super, super small. Doesn't matter. Okay, then let's go to the nursery and see what... Oh, the Spanish server right here. I'm not going to switch to my server because anytime it's English, Spanish server, my sister joins. And after when she joins, English people come in. It's now an English server. And I'm into another server, which is another Spanish server. So I have to go all the way back to the server house and before. And I'm not doing that. So I'm just going to stay inside the server. See smiley face. Dake. BB floor. What? Never mind. ABC if you have a frog and you don't want a jungle egg. Excuse me, I'm not trying. Wait, jungle egg. Maybe I can get another pet from that. Maybe it is a parrot. Oh, if I do get another parrot, I'm gonna be giving that out or to my sister because I really don't. Only for unicorn or sloth or bee. Okay, that's totally unfair trade. She's talking to me. Yee. Okay, guys, let's head into flee the oh gosh. Okay, zoom out. Flee the facility. I have no money because my friend said. Wait, I have no money because my friend said the point that I'm your friend is because I want your stuff. That's so sad.
What happened?
I only have tags. I so cute. Pardon me? Was she speaking Spanish right now? I can't see. It's blank. And okay, she is screaming out tags right now. Okay, let's head into the facility.
Are you gonna slide now?
Why is she saying I so cute? Doesn't matter. Let's head into the facility. It did just like